Let's have a look and see what we have done over the last week or two here. One of the most amazing pieces, and for me, like a feature of this project, is this really cool two-sided fireplace with this floating two-sided mantle. I just think it looks awesome. We've got our fearless appliance installer, Robin McFarlane, on site today, finishing off the appliance install. Check out this fluted design on the doors. Super cool. And these guys, we don't put any handles on here because you're gonna have bar stools that your knees bump into, so there'll all be touch latch storage back here for whatever you want. Easy peasy. We have a island range with a floating hood fan, just the way that the kitchen layout worked out. We don't frequently do this kind of layout for our kitchens, but in this particular project, that's what we needed to do. Check out this super cool, fancy schmancy Fisher Paykel stove. Love that red, maroon. We've got a panel ready fridge here. Robin's working on the dishwasher right now. Microwave over yonder. We got a wine fridge over there as well. Cool little like study nook area here. Actually, the client came up with this. So one of the things that I think is really underestimated and undervalued by a lot of people is how all of the things that are happening behind me just magically happen. The wires don't magically get to where they need to be. The water pipe doesn't magically get to where it needs to be. We have to think about these things meticulously and make sure that they are exactly where they're supposed to be. For example, a Sub-Zero rough-in, you have a 6" by 6" box at the back of the fridge where the water has to come out of the wall. Otherwise, the fridge won't sit back into the opening the way that it's meant to. 6" by 6" for the water line for the Sub-Zero fridge. All of these appliances all have little quirky things, and us as your fearless contractor, we had to figure all of these things out in advance before the drywall goes up and make sure things are where they need to be. And so you could imagine, we're having to think about, okay, we've got the framing, cool. What's gonna go in front of the framing? Is it drywall? Is it drywall plus millwork? Is it drywall plus millwork plus tile? Is it the list goes on in terms of the different permutations and options that people can choose to go with. So we had to think about these things for you. We take the complexity out of it for you so that the finished result is exquisite and it looks awesome. And the reason our projects always look awesome when we're done is because we have thought about the details. We have planned things out. We work relentlessly to make sure that our work does not look like a hack job. If you want to learn more about how awesome we are, reach out and call us. Have a great one.